don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 oh. I go oh, 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 oh. I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper. I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before. Like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day in your neck of the woods. Well, Jess and I tried to go to a different island, but that didn't work out, so I do apologize about trying to get footage from a different island, which I've been saying for so long, guys. So I do apologize on that. I will eventually get on a different island once again for you all, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will get to the other islands. It's just not working out right now, and in addition to that, it might even get worse because the government is thinking of re-implementing the 14-day inter-island travel quarantine. So that totally sucks. We still have the, outside of Hawaii, 14-day travel quarantine, meaning if you're coming from a different state or different country, you still have to quarantine here on Kauai for 14 days. So that totally sucks. So if they are going to re-implement the inter-island one, I'm pretty sure they're going to extend the Trans-Pacific quarantine once again, which totally sucks. The Trans-Pacific quarantine is scheduled to end, I believe, September 1st or September 2nd. So fingers crossed, but like I said, it doesn't look too good right now. So that totally sucks. And overall, all of this is just hampering our travel plan. So like everyone here, it just totally sucks, basically. I don't want to get all political and all that, but I do have some drone footage. I hope you guys are enjoying the drone footage. Got some clips of, I don't know what else I got. I got some drone footage. I already showed you guys us just playing around on the lanai. Me acting all stupid. Yeah, that's about it. Jess is actually technically off today, but she's doing business. When she's done in about a couple hours, I don't know, we'll probably head over to the beach. I'm really thinking of buying another GoPro because, like I said, my GoPro 7 broke, so I can get some underwater footage. Look for some turtles and stingrays and all that for you guys. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, let me know. Let me know if you guys want more underwater action, drone footage, family cooking. just leave it down in the comments. We'll try our best to get to your liking, to your requests and all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit a quick video for you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys. Stay safe out there. Go.
Wait for the car. Don't go by the car.
Ah! Why don't you guys go this way?
Can you guys go there?
Huh?
It didn't go in the water.
Oh, yucky water.
It didn't go in the water.
Look at the chickens.
So we try to find out where the flying is. How do I go up now?
The chickens are up there
So
now.
run! Hello!
So you can see.
Run! Go up! Right there. Watch out, they go shit out.
Oh.
Hello!
Oh. Whoa,
Wow,
good
you're
job.
Good. One. Come on, you next. Hurry up.
Hey, is this one going up too?
Yeah, they're trying to. Lo, sige ka. Oh. Wow. Ayun, there you go. That's how to do it.
How to do it?
Come on.
Which one?
Oh, the bird. How to do this?
Oh, right
We're
there.
gonna poop everywhere now.
Yeah, they got a lot of
They already pooped over here.
I know. Oh, I
Oh,
know.
they keep moving.
What?
They're moving.
Hey!
They don't have to do it there.
Watch out, they're gonna poop on you guys.
They're making poop?
Looks like Jess caught a chicken once again. Let's see. My God, Jess. Oh, you caught a chicken?
I'm in the tree.
Oh,
I got stuck in nothing.
oh yeah.
Mom, we gonna bring him up? We're going to put it in that old chicken.
Yeah. No.
Alright, be quiet. Don't come out. It's like, bro, I'm gonna poop on you. Just stop.
Oh, watch out. What?
Oh, you almost fell down.
You better go stay there before I go catch your friend.
Mom wants to
Hi, Jess.
Hi.
What happened? Huh?
I'm sleepy already.
You sleepy already? I know. What happened?
No can get in.
Can we get in? Alright, guys. I do apologize. We try to go to a different island to get some footage, but that was a fail, guys.
Yeah.
That was a big fail. Big time. Couldn't get on a flight, guys. I guess with all this COVID-19, they have to have all these seats empty. So it might look like there's a whole bunch of open seats, but when you're flying on standby like we do most of the time, it's deceiving and kind of almost impossible to get on. Right? Because only like 3 people got on that one flight, and then not too many on the other one too. So, oh well, guys, we'll go and enjoy some happy hour, pick up the kiddos, and then head back home and drink some more on the lanai, I think. What do you think, Jess?
I think so.
I think
don't
so. Jess is all habooed already. But you know what? Jess got her. Show them,
no,
Jess.
no,
Show them your microblading. This,
Microblading.
that's why I wanted to fire up the camera, guys, to show you guys Jess's new eyebrow. Show the crew, Jess, your eyebrow, baby.
Why did I go show me?
Yeah, come on, show you. There you go. Wow, barely can see it though, Jess.
Yeah, I hide it.
So, Jess, how was the microblading experience?
It's not bad.
Not bad. Was it sore? Painful?
No,
No.
nothing.
What they do? They numbed it.
They numbed it and then you cannot feel anything.
Oh, okay.
It's like they will sleep.
And then what was that? She dipped the blade and
Yeah.
sliced away?
I don't know. I never see how they do.
Ooh. What you mean? You're right there.
How can
There
I go see it? I lay down.
There's no mirrors or anything
No
there?
mirrors. Only light you can see.
My goodness, guys. Whew. Okay.
Baby.
All right. But are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
All right.
I'm good.
All right, guys. So let's go. I'm hungry. We didn't even eat anything.
Yeah, we never
Only
eat
breakfast. We only ate breakfast, guys. So we gotta
breakfast.
go in. I don't know. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm diving in the deep blue.